And welcome to The Connection Between Food and Health, Linking Food Systems Development with Innovative Hospital Programs, presented by the Iowa Public Health Association. My name is Janine Moody, and I serve as the Executive Director, and it is my pleasure to welcome each of you to today's session. Due to the number of attendees on this webinar, all participant lines will be muted during the presentation. To submit a question for our presenters, please use the questions feature in your GoToWebinar control panel. We will monitor all submitted questions and pose them to our presenters during the question and answer portion of the webinar as time permits. Today's webinar will be recorded and posted along with any available presenter slides. A few technical tips for optimizing your webinar experience. Utilize a USB headset. Use a wired connection versus wireless if possible. Close any applications on your computer which require large bandwidth. Now, let's meet our presenters. Courtney Long is a program coordinator with the Iowa State University Extension and Outreach in the Departments of Agriculture and Natural Resources and Community and Economic Development. Courtney coordinates the Community Food Systems Program, a 3-year community process to develop and design local food systems in partnership with communities. This program partners directly with the Community Design Lab and additional departments on Iowa State campus. She is passionate about community engagement, public health, food access, and holistic programming. The Community Food System Program process develops trust and community coalitions, facilitates public input sessions, conducts spatial assessment, and designs relevant food system projects. Courtney has been working with local food systems and design for access to healthy, local, and regional foods since 2010, with various appointments in research. We'll also hear from Kristen Bloom. Kristen is a clinical program coordinator with CHI Health Mercy Council Bluffs in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Kristen collaborates with clinical leaders to manage the implementation of new programs and serves on hospital campuses. She also coordinates community benefit and outreach programs. Kristen completed an administrative fellowship with CHI Health and has continued to work in the health system for the last 5 years. She's very interested in the future of healthcare delivery and has been able to work closely with several programs that explore creative community partnerships to lower the total cost of care and improve the overall health of the community. Gwen Hall Driscoll is a community health education nurse with Mercy Medical Center in Dubuque. Gwen worked in the emergency department for 25 years before joining the community education department and the wellness team at Mercy. She is currently certified as a health coach by the Mayo Clinic Health Coaching Program. Gwen is also the coordinator and death investigator for the Dubuque County Medical Examiner's Office. Unfortunately, Chris McCarthy is unable to join us today due to a family caregiving need. We wish him well, and we'll see if we can find another venue to plug into Chris's extensive experience and share that back with our membership and guests. In addition, Courtney Long was able to connect with Chris and will be able to weave in some of Chris's content into her presentation today. I'll now turn the webinar over to Courtney Long for her presentation and to moderate our panel.